Hi everyone, this is Umar. Today is the 18th of Jan 2015. We have about 3 hours from the New York close for today. I just wanted to go over the charts. So let's take a look at the current trades I have, and then we will discuss some more trades I took and any potential setups. So I had this trade in Aussie Singapore dollar. I was short this currency pair from 0.9982, and my target is 98.30. This is interesting because the Aussie Singapore dollar was actually in a drawdown. As you can see, my position was at this candle over here. Let me just zoom it a little bit. So it is at this candle over here. The trade got triggered after price broke below this entry candle of mine. I was in a drawdown for one day, but then price pushed back sharply. Interestingly, early in the morning today in the Tokyo session, my target was missed by just 10 pips. So my target was at 98.30 and price came down as low as 98.31 on these charts. So yeah, by 11 and including the spread by 15 pips, the target was missed. Price went up sharply after that, but then it got resisted from these lows over here, and we are seeing it coming down again. So I'm hopeful that it should hit my target tomorrow or later in the week. Let's see. But this is a bummer. These things happen normally. No matter how you place your targets, sometimes price will miss them, and you will have such trades now and then. Okay, so yesterday in the Tokyo session I entered a few other trades as well. One of the trades I entered was in Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. So I took a short in this pair, basically below the low of this big red candle. Let me just mark this with an arrow. So I'll post the exact numbers below this video, but my position was below the lows of this candle. The rationale of this trade is the same. Price basically broke through this key support area and then slightly bounced back in the form of this blue candle and gave us this big outside candle, this big shadow, bearish big shadow candle, which is basically nothing but an outside candle. And this closed very close to the low of the day, which means the bears were in control. Price opened, well, it basically gapped down in early trading today, but then it went up. So yeah, I hope that it will continue its slide down. Let's see. So I'll post the exact numbers, the entry level and the stop and the target below the video, so you can have a look. Besides this, I placed an entry order. It is not triggered as of yet in Japanese, in British pound versus the New Zealand dollar. So I like this candle over here. Let me just again mark this with an arrow. So I like this candle very much. Basically, as you can see, price is in a very nice downtrend. We had this impulsive move and then this corrective move, and then we have this impulsive move and this corrective move. So this big red candle over here tells me that we have a short-term top in place for this impulsive move, and price can actually now fall down and touch these lows soon. So I placed my sell entry order, my sell entry stop order below the lows of this candle. Again, I'll post the exact numbers below the video. So it's still not active yet. Price has not come down and broken the lows of this red entry candle. Price is still above and it's not yet triggered, but I'll wait for it. So I'll wait for it until price triggers it. If price goes up and it breaks the high of this candle, this red candle, then I'll remove my entry order. So far I'm just waiting for it to get triggered. Besides that, let's take a look at crude oil. So interestingly, crude oil fell further today. As you can see, we essentially touched 28, 28.35, and now we are getting some support from this zone at 28.17. It will be interesting how this market plays off in the next few days. My guess is, and at this time it's just anybody's guess because no one can forecast the future. My guess is we will see some consolidation over here before finally crude oil breaks up and down, up or down. So this is a very interesting chart for me, a very interesting chart for me. I'm keeping a close eye on this one as of now. S&P interestingly break below this trend line, but the candle was not powerful enough. However, we have this bearish big shadow over here, we have this bearish big shadow over here. So I suppose the more likely chance for S&P is to go down than not to go down. So I think this is again another very interesting chart. I'm keeping a close eye on this one as well. Let's see how it turns out. It's very fascinating for me. That's pretty much it, guys. These are, so I have two open trades right now. I have one pending order in British pound versus New Zealand dollar. My open trades are in Aussie versus Singaporean dollar, and then I have an open trade in Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. Hopefully all these trades would turn out to be good. That's it from my side today. Have a wonderful week ahead, and happy trading. Best of luck. Bye bye.